right, so you guys can see how dirty this is. So check this out. Gonna take our enzyme product. I just like to label the top of my bottles. Just gonna soak it down. If you have any oil-based stains, protein-based stains, nice to go in with this first. Don't want to oversaturate it. We just want to give this some working time. Gonna take a little drill brush. You don't need this, okay? But I'm gonna go ahead and use it just to kind of scrub up this a little bit. Let's go ahead and take, okay. Look at that, that's just with enzyme. These are already, I mean, this is a 22-year-old vehicle here, guys. That the carpets, and this is kind of unfortunate, if you watched our tint video, we were talking about, they used a really harsh cleaner to clean this vehicle up, whoever detailed it to get ready for sale. And it was unfortunate because what would happen is the carpet got really crusty. So now just using the towel, this is just slightly damp. Okay, so look at that. Finished result. Missed a tiny spot. Go ahead. Look at that. You're seeing all this like really hard. I gotta use peroxide and I gotta use this kind of cleaner and that kind of cleaner, and no, you just have to use a little enzyme. Then we're gonna go in with our complete product. Incomplete, I'm gonna kind of spray. This is not balancing, it's just attacking different stains, okay? So if you're being told you have to balance your carpet system, you need to find a new carpet system. You can choose a different brush, guys, that's fine. This is just a little tiny brush I had. I didn't want anybody to think you could easily do this by hand with a brush. I didn't want anybody to think I had some kind of special brush. I mean, look, this is nothing special about it. And there you go. And just slightly damp. You know, look at that. There you go. So you guys can see. That's all the dirt we pulled up right there. Hopefully you can see the difference. And it's just, look, I let this go for 2 months. Daily driven. And that's the power of just a really common sense carpet cleaner.